What if I told you the same transactions you're already doing as a real estate agent, you could actually get paid twice? And not by working more hours or doing more deals, but by stepping into another side of the same transaction that most agents never even consider. I recently got my loan officer license and I joined One Real Mortgage as part of their Real Originate program, and it's completely changed how I look at the opportunities inside every transaction. So in this video, I want to explain to you why I joined Real Originate, 3 additional streams of income available to you if you do as well, and the biggest benefits to your clients for you joining. So let's start off by talking about what exactly is Real Originate. So this is a program within One Real Mortgage, allows real estate agents to also get their loan officer licenses. Those agents are then partnered with an experienced loan officer within One Real Mortgage. And the agent's responsibility is to originate the loan. This simply means getting our clients to fill out the loan application, answer any questions that they have while they're filling out the application. After it's completely filled out, now the loan is originated and is handed off to the more experienced loan officer who will process the loan, lock in the rate, and coordinate the closing. And with this program, you as a loan officer will earn 0.5% of the loan amount for originating the loan in addition to your real estate agent commission. So let's say you originate a $500,000 loan, you get 0.5% of the loan amount as your commission, which would be $2,500 in addition to your real estate agent commission. Now, let's say you do $1 million in loan volume within just 1 month. So maybe 2 $500,000 loans or 4 $250,000 loans. You'd get 0.5% of the total loan volume for that month, which would be $5,000 in addition to your real estate agent commissions. And that's just one of 3 additional streams of income you have available to you with the Real Originate program. The next stream of income is going to be with their Level Up program, which is very similar to our revenue share program. If you attract an agent to Real Originate or a loan officer to Real Mortgage, you will earn 0.12% of every loan that they originate. So if they close $1 million worth of loan in 1 month, you'd earn $1,200 for that month. And the great thing about this Level Up program is that there is no cap to how much you can earn off of somebody you bring into the program. With Real Broker's revenue share model, you get part of the 15% that agents pay to the company. So once they fully cap at Real, you no longer make any revenue share off of them for that year. And that is not the case with the Level Up program at One Real Mortgage. If you bring over an agent or a loan officer who closes $1 million in volume, you'll make $1,200 that month. But if they do $1 million in volume the next month, you'll make another $1,200. And if they do $1 million in volume every single month for the entire year, you'd make $14,400 off of that one agent or loan officer that you brought into a Real Mortgage. So the opportunity here is huge. Now, if a loan officer or an agent that you bring into the company brings someone in underneath of them, they'll be in your tier 2 and you earn 0.08% of any loan that they originate. So if they originate $1 million in volume, that'll be $800 to you. Anybody that they bring in will be in your tier 3 and you earn 0.03% of any loan that they originate. $1 million in volume would be $300 to you. Anybody they bring in will be in your tier 4. You earn 0.2% of any loan that they originate. So $1 million in volume would be $200 to you. And anybody that they bring in will be in your tier 5 and you earn 0.01% of any loan that they originate. So $1 million in volume would be $150 to you. Now, similar to Real's revenue share, you do need to unlock the benefits of your different tiers. So you need 5 agents or loan officers in your tier 1 to unlock your tier 2. You need 10 to unlock your tier 3. You need 15 to unlock your tier 4. You need 20 to unlock your tier 5. And One Real Mortgage does offer co-sponsorship. So if an agent joins, they can put 2 people down as their sponsor into the company. Now, there is a third stream of income as well available to agents, and that is with the One Real Mortgage Stock Awards. So any agent who directly closes $20 million in loan volume through their application link will earn $15,000 in Real Broker stock. The second way to earn stock is if you attract an agent or loan officer who closes a loan within their first 90 days, you will earn additional $500 in stock. And the stock is Real Broker stock, just like you get as a real agent, and does have a 3-year vesting period. So now let's talk about the benefits to your clients for you joining Real Originate. So first off, One Real Mortgage is a mortgage broker, and this means that they shop around at 24 different lenders to find the best interest rate for your clients. One Real Mortgage also has over 1,200 5-star reviews, so you know that your clients will be in good hands and be taken care of. One Real Mortgage also offers various incentives for our clients as well. Right now, they're running a promotion that if you're working with a One Real Mortgage lender and a real broker agent, they'll give you a $1,500 closing cost credit. And lastly, with One Real Mortgage using the same tech platform as the agent, which is Rezen, you get communication updates immediately. So once their system is updated, you also see that on your end as well. And this efficiency in communication between the lender and the agent getting updates at the same time is actually allows them to close transactions sooner. One Real Mortgage has been able to provide clear to close in as little as 14 days when working with an agent also at a real broker.
We actually started a program to challenge ourselves and check whether we can guarantee a 14 days close. And that happened last year, and we were able to demonstrate that on a little bit more than 80% of the transactions, we were able to provide the clear to close within 14 days of the mortgage application, which is huge. And some buyers will elect to close in 14 days or 70 days, but just knowing that you can close whenever you want and not necessarily when your lender tells you that they're ready, I think that puts more power in controlling the hands of the buyers. And this is exactly what we need to do.
So now let's answer some frequently asked questions for Real Originate. The first one is, are there any requirements to join Real Originate? And yes, currently what they want to see is an agent who has closed at least 6 buy-side transactions in the previous 12 months. And they have this requirement because it does cost them a little bit of money to keep a loan officer on their books, and they want to make sure that they do get business from the agents. Now, they do have some flexibility in the 6 transaction rule if you stepped into the role of a team leader, or maybe you were out of production briefly, but now you're getting back into production. But generally, they do want to see you working with buyers so they know that they'll get some opportunities to work with those clients with One Real Mortgage. The next question is, what states is One Real Mortgage in? So currently they are in 26 states, but they do want to expand to all 50 states. And One Real Mortgage needs to be in your state for you to participate in the Real Originate program. So if your state is not open up yet, what they want to see is agents that are interested in working with this program in that state, so they know that they have a demand or even a big team in that state. And then they need to find a loan officer as well. So they almost need the demand for it and a loan officer at the same time, and then they can open up the state. So if you are interested in joining, but it's not available in your state yet, still feel free to reach out to me. What we need to do is show that there's a demand for it in the state, and then we can find a loan officer as well, and then we can get One Real Mortgage to open up in your state. And ultimately, this is the goal, to open up in all 50 states. So the next question is this allowed? And the answer is yes. This is fully RESPA compliant, fully approved by our lawyers. And in fact, this is a growing trend in our industry, and soon it's going to be expected by our consumers. Consumers go to Zillow and they can find a Zillow agent and a Zillow lender. They go to Redfin, they can find a Redfin agent and a Redfin lender. They go to Compass, the largest brokerage in the world now. They can find a Compass agent and a Compass lender. This is going to provide a better, more seamless experience for your clients. And if you want to keep up with this growing trend and expectation from the consumer, this is something that all agents seriously need to consider. Next question is, do you need to be an agent with Real Broker? Answer to that is no. Any agent at any brokerage can join Real Originate and start originating loans with One Real Mortgage. The next question is, how do you get your loan officer license? And I'll tell you, it is far easier than you may think at first. And I am working on a full step-by-step guide to show you exactly how to go from being an agent to getting your loan officer license and joining One Real Mortgage. But for right now, just to summarize, you need to complete the 20-hour SAFE course and then pass the national exam. That's the only 2 major requirements. They may seem a little intimidating, but I'll tell you, half the material you already know as an agent. There's gonna be a lot of questions about what is the fair housing laws and what is PMI, what is amortization, requirements for a VA loan. A lot of information that most agents already have. That's about half the information right there. The other half is going to be a lot about different regulations and laws that you need to learn, but it's really not that hard. So keep an eye out for my complete step-by-step guide, which I'm hoping to release in the next few weeks. So look, if you're interested in joining the Real Originate program with One Real Mortgage and you're looking for a sponsor into it, I'd be happy to hop on a one-on-one video call, answer all your questions. I'll show you exactly how to get your loan officer license, where I took my online class at, how I'm preparing for the exam, and help get you fully onboarded into the Real Originate program. I have a link down in the description below where you can schedule a call with me, or head on over to my website, next-genagents.com. And whenever I do upload the step-by-step guide to getting your loan officer license, I'll put a link to the video right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you.